Today I'm going to show you how to mount a TV on a metal stud wall. You need a drill. For that drill you need a 1/2 inch drill bit, stud finder, elephant anchors, 4 of them minimum, machine screws, a washers and level. You can either buy them as a kit or buy them separately. Here we start with finding the stud. The best stud finder is this magnetic C.H. Hansen stud finder, which grabs onto the metal stud even if it's behind the drywall. Alternatively, you can get this Zircon stud finder. After you have marked the studs, you are going to take your wall mount that you purchased and align them to the studs, which are 16 inches apart. So mark the holes according to the wall mount. Most of the wall mount should be 16 inches apart. Now the next step is drilling into the metal through your drywall. Hold your drill strong so that you can get a nice clean cut into the drywall and the metal stud. And once you're done with that, you just want to give it a clean sweep so you get this paper right. Please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to get 1,000 subscribers by 2020. So that is one hole. We are going to continue to drill 4 more holes, all the holes that we had marked for the wall mount. And now is the part you're going to put in the anchors through your drywall and then through the metal stud gently, because these toggle boards are fragile. They are made so that you can put a nut into your metal stud without opening up the wall. So we inserted the toggle board, the elephant anchor through the metal stud, and then it opens up and you pull the tab so it's tight to the wall and break it off. You do that 4 times for all the 4 holes. Just be gentle with it. Pull it like that and break it off. So we have done 4 for all the 4 holes. Now cut these small pieces of plastic from the toggle board if you need to, if your break wasn't that neat, so that your wall mount can go flat against the wall. So after that, you're going to put your wall mount. Get 1/4 inch screws, which comes with the kit, or if you get it separately, then get the right screw for the toggle board. What you're going to do is screw in with your hand all the 4 screws before you use a power tool, because this toggle board is fragile. It needs to grab with the screw first before you start using the power tool. If not, it can break off. So once that is done, you want to put a level. Once you've put all the 4 screws with your hand, put a level, and then you can use a power tool to tighten it maximum. Not too tight, and then voila, you're ready to mount your TV onto the mount and put the safety screw which is behind the TV to tighten it in place. This is a method for the articulating mount. Same thing, another mount. Show you an example where we drilled at 4 holes according to the mount. We use the toggle board, and then we're going to screw it in with our hands, and later on with a screwdriver or power tool so that it is tight. This is the back view of what happens. So after this process, this is an articulating mount. You can hook up the TV as well, and then remember, if there's a safety screw, put it in. If it's a pull string, then make sure it's locked. If you have any questions, please let us know. We will comment and reply as soon as possible. This is the kit that we use. It comes with a drill bit, the elephant anchors, the washers, and the screws. They have kits in 6-pack or 50 packs, whichever you want to use. Thank you. Have a good day.